so welcome back to Pink's Kitchen. Today let's check out how to make a sweet using poha and roasted Bengal gram. Both these ingredients are easily available at home, so you can make and enjoy the sweet recipe anytime you wish. Very quick and instant recipe, so let's quickly check out the ingredients and get started. Heat a pan and add 1 cup of poha to it. Dry roast for 2 minutes until the poha turns crispy. Then off the flame and add 1/4 cup of roasted Bengal gram and give it a quick mix. The heat in poha will heat up the roasted Bengal gram. Now set it aside and allow it to cool completely. Meanwhile, to the same pan, add 1 cup of molded jaggery and 1/4 cup of water. Allow it to melt completely. You need not wait for any string consistency. Now it's nicely melted, so strain it and keep it ready. Now our poha is nice and cool, so transfer it to a mixer jar. To this add 1 cardamom and grind it to a very fine powder. Transfer it to a mixing bowl. To this add a teaspoon of ghee and mix it well. Make sure the ghee is well spread. Now start adding little melted jaggery at a time and mix well. We're looking for this consistency. I have about 2 teaspoons of melted jaggery left. You can add according to your quantity. Now grease your hands with ghee and pull out a small portion and make a smooth ball out of it. Now a delicious poha sweet is ready. You can enjoy it right away or make pedas and enjoy. You can store it in an 8-8 container and enjoy for a week's time. Very easy and quick recipe, so do try this recipe at your home and write back to me your feedback. I'll meet you all with another interesting recipe. Until then, bye friends. If you wish to check out our recipes in Tamil, do visit our Pink's Kitchen Tamil channel. Do subscribe to our Pink's Kitchen channel and click on the bell icon for latest updates. Happy cooking and thanks for watching this video.